Gabon. Gabon lies on the west coast of Central Africa, bordered by Equatorial Guinea from the northwest, Cameroon from the north, the Republic of Congo from the east and south, and the Atlantic Ocean from the west. The capital city Libreville is situated in the northwestern coast. Gabon lies on the equator, giving it a tropical climate, tropical and diverse climate, including rainforests, savannas, and coastal plains. Gabon's strategic location on the Gulf of Guinea makes it an important player for regional maritime activity.
Gabon is renowned for its vast and diverse environment. About 85% of the Congo basin is home to animals such as gorilla, chimpanzees, and forest elephants. It boasts 13 national parks such as Loano and Lavendo for protecting its rich biodiversity. At the Atlantic coast, it has mangrove and lagoons important for its marine life. At the southern and eastern parts, they have savannas and grasslands. Gabon works hard to protect its environment while promoting sustainable development. The Atlantic coast has mangroves and lagoons important for its marine life.
Gabon is a nation blessed with abundant natural resources. It stands poised to become a leader in the global industrial landscape. The most vast reserves of oil, manganese, and timber, offering unparalleled opportunities for growth. However, we also realize the need of sustainable development. Gabon is actively investing in best climate economy and promoting its forestry practices and fostering a manufacturing sector. This is not merely a matter for economic progress, it's about securing our future and creating jobs and making the lives of our people good.
It is home to numerous ethnic groups. They are famous for their traditional and cultural activities. They are out of the 5 major ethnic groups. Fang is one of the largest ethnic groups, which is famous for their mask making and Inuit rituals. Mitsogo is known for their social and cultural ceremonies. Shira is famous for vibrant art and social customs. In the colonial period, Christianity was widely practiced and nowadays it is a part of Gabonese culture, while Islam is practiced by smaller segments of population. The official language of Gabon is French, and they also follow a bit of French culture because they have strong ties with the French.
In the year 2021, the government of Gabon introduced a new law stating that all the presidential candidates should live in Gabon for at least 6 months. Shortly after this, the military coup led by Brice Oligui overthrew the government of Ali Bongo, ending the 56 years of dynastic rule of the Bongo family. To counter the violent actions of the military coup, a non-violent group called Coup d'Etat was formed, which was highly supported by the Gabonese people. Shortly after this incident, a new institution was formed to restore the state constitutions and institutions. It dissolved all the constitutions, state parliaments, and the constitutional code. Women rights were added to the constitutional code of Gabon, and labor rights were later reformed for women and added to the constitutional code of Gabon.
Thank you so much for watching.